We have the 10 best Carnival cruise splurges for your next cruise. If you're wondering what's worth paying extra for, you're at the right place. If you're wondering how to spend as little as possible, check out this other video linked below on our 10 money-saving cruise tips. But for now, it's our 10 best Carnival cruise splurges, starting with number 1, ordering bottled water for your stateroom. You can order the bottled water ahead of time, save a lot of money compared to what it would cost buying it on board, and well, there's drinkable water in the taps and in the buffet on board. If you prefer bottled water, you'll want to order that ahead of time.
You also want to bring bottled water when you are going to the beach or on an excursion. Just throw a couple bottles of water in your bag so you're not having to pay the really expensive price for bottles of water.
Good. That's an extra bonus tip. What is splurge number 2?
Ordering room service.
Nice.
So when you don't feel like going to the MDR or the specialty restaurant, you can order room service. It's so nice. You can just relax in your room and get a meal ordered and just be with your husband.
Yeah, some of those things you can order directly on the Carnival Hub app. We'll have a link in the description below. You can download that Hub app if you don't have it. Order that ahead of time. You can order things like chicken wings and pizza. And you can just call in your traditional room service order like Joy was talking about. It's a nice way to, if you want to get away from the crowd after a long day on board or in the port. Room service, that is a great tip.
Yes.
Splurge number 3. We have always enjoyed dining in the steakhouse. Carnival has a lot of great specialty dining options for dinner, and the steakhouse, whether it's Fahrenheit 555 or a different steakhouse on the particular ship, we have had amazing service, great food. It's well worth the price.
It's like having a date night, and you get much better service, and it's fun.
Yes. What's the next splurge?
Buying treats for the room. So if you want to surprise your spouse or friend, order treats. It's a lovely surprise to walk in and see cookies or strawberries or any of that. It's all really good.
Yeah, and like the water, you can order that ahead of time on carnival.com. And you can also, if you want, you can order decorations for the room. So surprise your roommate for the cruise with some treats. That's a great one. We hope you like these so far. And if you are enjoying this video, please hit the thumbs up icon below to let us know you like this video. We really appreciate it. Splurge number 5 is, if you're like me, you got to have your cruise drinks while you're on the cruise. Carnival Cruise, drink, whether you're buying a la carte drinks or the Cheers package, great splurge to enjoy your vacation on a cruise with a nice frozen drink or a frosty beer.
Oh, yeah. I love my mango daiquiris.
Yes. What's splurge number 6?
Sushi at Bonsai Sushi is so good.
Mm-hmm.
It's worth the splurge. If you like sushi or if you like seafood, go to Bonsai Sushi. It's so good.
Nice. Yeah, we really have enjoyed Bonsai Sushi on several Carnival ships. If your Carnival ship has a Bonsai Sushi, you are in luck. Some ships have the Bonsai Express. That's also a great splurge. It's more of a walk-up stand in that case, but either way, Bonsai Sushi is a great option.
Yep. Put down your favorite sushi below if you want to let us know.
Yeah, you're not ordering it from us, though. Order it from the Sushi Chef. Will prepare it for your fresh at Bonsai Sushi when you're on board.
It might be really long before you get your sushi with me.
Okay. We're not filling any orders. Let's move on.
Okay.
Splurge number 7 is to splurge by purchasing the Carnival Vacation Protection or trip insurance. It might not be the most glamorous splurge you can think of for your cruise, but if something should happen during your cruise, especially if you are older or you're prone to get sick or something like that happens, having that's the vacation protection, the Carnival Vacation Protection, can really give you a peace of mind. We've either get that or trip insurance through an outside company on every cruise we go on, and we haven't had to use it.
Knock on wood.
Yes, but it does give us the peace of mind, just like having automobile insurance or something like that. You hope you don't have to use it, but it makes you feel good and protected if you don't. What is The next splurge number 8.
Buy some cruise souvenirs from the ship, so you have a remembrance of what ship you were on, or
Yeah.
the time that you had, fun time that you had on board the ship.
Hmm.
So you can either get little bears or cruise magnets or even models.
Yeah, like the
Models
ones we
behind
have
us.
behind us. Yes, and that can be a great souvenir. Especially, I agree. Getting a ship specific souvenir, something that reminds you of that specific ship, that makes it extra special. Whether it's a fairly inexpensive magnet or a ship model or piece of clothing. Great, that's a great splurge tip.
Uh-huh.
Before we give the last couple splurge tips for you, we want to ask, if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe by clicking below. Doesn't cost anything. It's just a way to follow us so you get more great cruise information. Now for splurge number 9. Splurge number 9 is to book your excursions through Carnival. Now, I know you can book port excursions through other companies, but we found that it's most reliable, and they vet the excursions themselves to be sure that it's quality and it's safe, and you have the peace of mind of knowing the ship will be there for you when you come back from excursion, even if it runs late. So we encourage and suggest you pay maybe a little extra to go through Carnival for your excursions.
Right. And if for some reason the excursion cancels, you
Mhm.
get your money back.
Yeah. So a lot of peace of mind with that going through Carnival. What is splurge number 10?
Play bingo or any of the other games,
Mhm.
or playing your luck at playing blackjack.
Yeah, you're on vacation, you're having fun. Why not take a chance, see if you might be lucky, and have fun playing one of those games? That's a great one. For more on Carnival Cruises, be sure to watch this video next.